So last week I shared this matrix with one of my clients. She told me she's been having a hard time just figuring out what to prioritize. Her days feel jam-packed, but at the end of the day, nothing actually gets done. She hasn't even applied the matrix yet, but I already know it's going to be a game changer for her. And that's when it hit me. If she's feeling this way, how many other restoration owners are in the same boat? So I decided to put this together for you. If you're stuck, reacting all day, feeling like your business owns you instead of the other way around, this is the tool that's going to help you take back control. Let me introduce you to the Eisenhower Matrix. It's how you stop guessing and start leading. Why you're always busy but not growing? Let's be real. You're not lazy. You're just stuck in the loop. Between job site calls, client updates, team questions, and paperwork. You're reacting all day instead of planning. You're working in your business, not on it. And that's exactly why you feel busy, but the business still isn't growing. What is the Eisenhower Matrix? The Eisenhower Matrix, also called the Urgent Important Matrix, is named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower. The guy was a 5-star general in World War II and the 34th President of the United States. He made life and death decisions daily, and he was known for saying, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." That mindset is what his tool is based on. It's a way to separate what truly matters from what's just screaming for your attention. And when you use it right, it's not just powerful, it's deadly effective. So here's how it works. The Eisenhower Matrix helps you prioritize everything based on just two things. Is it urgent? Is it important? That's it. Simple, but it changes everything. This is how you stop firefighting and start building. And I've used it with restoration owners who were drowning in the day-to-day. It gave them clarity almost instantly. Here's why it works. This framework forces clarity. It reduces burnout. It shifts your mindset from reactive to strategic, and it gives you a visual way to take back control of your time. It's used by CEOs and executives, military strategists, project managers, entrepreneurs, and yes, restoration business owners just like you. Now, let's break it down. The first quadrant, urgent and important. Do these things first. These are the fires. They can't wait. Water loss call, payroll problem, angry client, equipment failure. You handle these immediately. But the goal, you don't want to live in this quadrant forever. Quadrant 2, not urgent but important. Schedule it. This is where growth lives. Things like building SOPs, training your team, setting up lead follow-up, reviewing your numbers. These aren't screaming for attention, but they're crucial. You must schedule these because your future depends on it. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. Delegate it. These things feel urgent, but they don't need you. Scheduling jobs, ordering supplies, answering routine emails, uploading docs. If you're still doing this stuff, you're slowing your business down. Your team can and should own these. Quadrant 4, not urgent and not important. Eliminate it. Let's call it like it is. These are distractions, scrolling, drama, micromanaging, overchecking things you already approved. They make you feel busy, but they do absolutely nothing for your growth. Cut them out. This isn't motivational fluff. This is your new blueprint. Here's what to do next. Write down every task you're doing this week. Drop each one into the quadrant it belongs to. Schedule the strategic. Delegate the busy work. Eliminate the junk. And if you want help building out the systems to support this, comment matrix or DM me to book a strategy call. Let's get your time, your focus, and your business back. And remember, master yourself, master your success.